my cousin's dog, Luna. We're trying to get her to jump on the glasses extraordinary. As you can see, all these stains on here are made by her.
Luna!
The pretty big dog is not over here.
Luna!
She's sitting. You can't see her from where. There she is. Pretty big.
Come on.
Come on.
Luna! Luna, boo,
big.
come on.
Let's give her some time.
Come on.
She's being put on.
Get up.
Come on. Give it.
She's scratching at the door. She's not jumping.
Come on, Luna.
Luna, come on.
Come on, Luna.
Got my iPad with. Crystal, look, I got a picture. Wait, let me see if we could just put this little picture on. Turn it around.
Come on, Luna. Luna.
Luna, we're on a limited schedule, please.
Luna. No!
Okay, I have a picture of it here.
We want it live. The people want to see it live.
Well, I've got a picture.
This is one picture of it.
That we actually got.
It went off. It went off. Sorry.
Okay.
We got one picture of her, and hurry up. We got one picture. Zoe, what? Stop moving it. Got one picture of her like that. We still have not been able to get the dog to jump up. Wait. She's coming.
Luna, come on. Pretend to do this.
Stop. You're spooking her. Stop. You're spooking her.
Grandma's gonna beat it out.
Well, apparently she won't do it today.
She did it like 5 seconds.
I know. She did it 5 seconds. Wait. We're going to take the camera off and hide it in a secret mode because probably she knows that there's a camera filming and she doesn't want to do it. Let's see. Stay tuned. When she jumps, let me know. Who's crashing?
She's just scratching.
Whoa! We missed her.
Grandma's gonna call us to come in like 5 seconds, you know, right?
Oh,